Most so-called free AI upscalers aren't actually free. So I spent 20 hours digging through the internet to find the 6 tools that truly work for free. No watermarks, no hidden subscriptions. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to access them and how to use them. And at the end, I'll share 2 bonus tricks most people don't know. So the first one is free.upscaler.video, and it uses WebGPU technologies to access your computer's graphic card. And it utilizes well-known AI upscaling algorithms, specifically Anime4K and Real-ESRGAN for realistic photos and videos. So here is the tool, very simple environment. There is no need to sign up or anything, just choose a video. So I will use this very low resolution video as the low quality, and already you can see what will be the difference. You see, on the left side is the previous one, and on the right side will be increased resolution. You see the sharpness and the clearness of the video here. It will upscale every video 2 times. So when I click Start Upscaling, you will see something in the Performance tab of my computer. You see the GPU, so this is my laptop, and it obviously started using GPU. Now we see that, fine, and now it is over, most likely. Let's see, here is the final video, we can download it easily. The next one is from Unblurimage.ai and Video Enhancer, and here you can use longer videos up to 500 megabytes. It uses neural networks to analyze the pixels, then looks for patterns or noise or blur and mathematically guesses what a sharp version would look like. So we can upload the file and it will be enhanced to 2K resolution. Let's use this one here again, and you see it is generating. Look at the left one, the original video 480, 360, and here we have 2K. You already notice the quality of the right. Let's look at the first one. Okay, very low quality. And then the right one, enhanced, upscaled. Looks pretty good, pretty sharp video from the ultra low quality video that we created now. Download for free. And as you noticed, I didn't even sign up or sign in. I don't know the limits, but I generated many different videos and everything is still working. Yes. Then we have the third tool, Upscaler.ai Video Upscaler, and it is particularly aggressive by removing the ISO noise, so you know, that grainy look you get in videos filmed in the dark. You can upload the videos up to 30 seconds and less than 50 megabytes. So let's do that. This time let's upload this video. So it is generating the upscaled version of this video. So here is our video. On the left side you see the low resolution version, and here the higher resolution. You see the sharpness and how everything is much more quality on the right side. So if you play, nice, really good upscaler, completely for free. Just download it. Here is our new resolution, pretty good. Then we have XDesign Enhance Video for free. Just upload a video. Let's use this one. And then you have 3 options, 1x, 2K or 4K. Let's use 4K, no, 2K for example. Enhance. So very quickly, here is our enhanced 2K video. The thing about this tool is that you can download 5-second preview, but you can't download the full video. But this is very valuable for many short videos or AI generated videos, because many of them are 5 seconds or 8 seconds, and then you can do multiple times the same thing, as you can see, completely for free without even signing in. You see the other videos that I did on the left hand side, very low SD resolution, and here we have 2K that looks actually pretty good. Oh yeah. She is smiling constantly and doing some weird faces, but that's okay. Then we have the tool SubtitleVideo.com Video Enhance, and this site uses a deep learning video super resolution algorithm and up to 4 times scaling. So the tool works like follows. First, you need to enter your email address here, then confirm once you receive the email, and after that you will be able to generate videos. So I will enter my address now. And I will choose the file. So you have 3 options, default, face enhancer or faster medium resolution. I will use default and it will upscale video 4 times. After a couple of minutes I received video in my email, then just click on the link and you can see that video is upscaled 4 times. Additionally, we have VidMage AI Video Upscaler, and there is a trick about this one. So daily you will receive 20 seconds of video upscaling and enhancing, but the trick is that you can then go to the tool in another browser or join from the VPN, and then you will receive additional 20 seconds, which I will show just now. So for example, let's upload the video, the same one, let's use 4 times upscaling. Let's start upscaling. So here's the video. Now you see that I spent all of the credits. I don't have any more. Now I would need to sign up. Video quality is pretty good. Yes. And now for the trick, of course. Now I open the same tool in the Edge browser, and as you can see, I have 20 seconds remaining, so you can do that many times a day. And at the end, as I mentioned, I will reveal two interesting tricks. So unlike the previous tools, those two do not use generative AI to hallucinate new pixels. It uses basically traditional matte-based filters. So if you use a scale filter here, it will make the video bigger, and many different things. Completely free. It uses FFmpeg technology and it runs in your browser based on your CPU. So for example, here we have one video and here you have many different things for this specific video that you can just add here. So for example, scale added. It's like this drag and drop map. Here we can increase the video size and the resolution. And we have many different other things. Color, chroma key, okay, similarity, blend, color contrast. You can do whatever you want with this tool and it is completely free. After you're done with your many different settings, just render preview. It is rendering. It is now using my CPU to do that. And here is our new video.
It's Pepe's become kind of a symbol.
Nice one. After that, just click download. Then the second tool is based on the same technology. So FFmpeg online, upload your file. Here it is. And then set different options. Here you configure options by setting commands, which there are hundreds of. So for example, if you would like to make the color pop and increase the resolution of the video and then put them side by side, this is the command. It's a pretty complicated one. As you can see, many different things using the Lanczos algorithm and the scaling and changing the saturations and everything. Fine. Then just click run. Now it uses my CPU to process all of that. As you can see, the CPU is going to 100% almost. So video has been created. Let's download the file. So you notice it created two different versions. So this is the previous one and this is the second one where we made the colors different and perhaps more pop. All of that created with FFmpeg command. Pretty good actually. For example, if you go to this frame, you can see that the colors in this video are much more pronounced. Now you could play with that and enter hundreds of different commands to enhance your video. Just ask ChatGPT or Gemini how to use FFmpeg options and it will split out whatever you need. For example, you say, I would like to saturate this video and make it bigger resolution or anything else. And it's a split out command that you can just paste here and run it. Pretty good. So yeah, pretty useful tools that you can use on day-to-day basis. I hope you found this useful. And if you did, please do like and subscribe and we'll talk some next time. Bye bye.